Good morning students, welcome to chemistry class. In this class we are going to know the methods of preparations of alkane. Okay, so take methods of preparations of alkanes. So here there is so many methods to prepare alkanes. Let me be discussed one by one. Now take the first one from alkenes. From alkenes. So listen here, we are preparing alkanes from alkenes. Okay, so that is take alkenes. The general formula of alkene is RCH double bond CH bond R. That we call what? Alkene. So presence of carbon double bond. We call what? Alkene. This alkene is treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst at 473 Kelvin temperature. Under this temperature, alkenes are reduced into alkane by adding what? Hydrogen. Usually, addition of hydrogen we call what? Reduction. So alkene undergo reduction results what? Alkane. That is R bond. Now CH becomes CH2 by adding this hydrogen. So that is CH2. Then single bond, double bond becomes single bond. Again CH becomes CH2. Then R. That we call what? Alkane. Okay, this process takes place only at 473 Kelvin presence of nickel and hydrogen as a catalyst. Okay, so this is general reaction. Now take example. In place of take hydrogen, if I take hydrogen, H and H becomes H2, then C and double bond, again C, then H and again H becomes H2. So results you get this compound, this we call what? Hethene. Is the first member of alkene. Now which is treated with the hydrogen in presence of nickel at 473 Kelvin. Results what? This hydrogen is added between these carbons. So that is CH3, single bond, then CH3. So double bond becomes a single bond. That we call what? Hethane. We call what? Hethane. This is called what? Hethane. Similarly, now take one more compound. Now in place of R, take CH3. So that is CH3, then again CH, then again double bond, then again CH, again in place of R, we are going to write CH3. So you get how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. At second carbon having double bond, so we call 2-butene. 2-butene, which is treated with what? Hydrogen in presence of what? Nickel at 473 Kelvin. Under this temperature again, this hydrogen is added between carbon double bond. Okay, understood I thought, students? So listen, so CH3 CH double bond becomes single bond. These two hydrogens added here. So write CH3. Then CH becomes a CH2. Again double bond becomes a single bond. Again CH becomes CH2. Then CH3. How many carbons are there? 4. So its name is butane. Similarly, observe one more example. CH3 CH double bond CH2. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. Propane. Sorry, propene. Double bond is there, right? So propene. Now which is treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel and 473 Kelvin. What you get? Just we have to add these two hydrogen between carbon double bond. Results alkane, that is CH3. Then bond CH becomes a CH2. Then double bond becomes a single bond. Then again CH2 becomes a CH3. That we get propane. Okay, this is the one of the method to prepare what? Alkanes from alkenes. So now take second method from haloalkanes. So now second method from haloalkanes. So haloalkanes is nothing but alkyl halides. So that is the general formula R bond X, where X is nothing but halogens, R is nothing but other than hydrogen. This haloalkanes is treated with hydrogen. Haloalkanes is treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst at the temperature of 523. At the temperature of 523 Kelvin. Under this temperature, one hydrogen, one X becomes a HX, and one more hydrogen and R becomes hydrocarbons. That is RH plus H and X becomes HX. Okay, so this is what haloalkanes are called alkyl halides. Then this is called hydrocarbons that we called alkane, particularly called what? Alkanes, and this is a hydrogen halides. Okay, so now example observe. In place of R take CH3 bond, in place of X take chlorine. Okay, what is its name? Chloromethane or methyl chloride. Chloromethane. Okay, understanding students? So listen. So chloromethane, which is treated with hydrogen. Hydrogen can be writing H bond H, isn't it? So then nickel. Why we are writing? Just to understood. At 573 Kelvin. So observe, one H and Cl becomes what? HCl. Then this hydrogen is added to the methane. Now CH3 becomes CH4 plus H and Cl becomes HCl. Now what is its name? Methane. And you know its name is what? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay. So similarly, now take one more example. CH3, then CH2, and again Cl. Just we are increasing one carbon. So now what is its name? Chloro. How many carbons? 2 carbons. That is ethane. Chloroethane. Okay. So now which is treated with what? Hydrogen. H bond H. You can write H2 like that. In place of what? The catalyst nickel. And the temperature we have to maintain 273 Kelvin. Under this temperature, this carbon and chlorine bond is broken. Results H and Cl. Then H is added here. Results what? CH3 bond. The CH2 and H becomes CH3 plus H and Cl, hydrogen chloride. So what is its name? Ethane. So in this way we are preparing what? Alkanes from haloalkanes. Okay. So there is one more method similarly in haloalkanes that we call Wood's reaction. Okay. Similarly from haloalkanes again we can prepare alkanes. In this method we are preparing what? Lower hydrocarbons, that is methane. So the next method we call Wood's reaction, where we cannot be prepared the lower hydrocarbon alkane, that is methane. Okay. So just observe what is the difference between this this reaction, that is from hydrogen with nickel, and one more reaction, that is Wood's reaction. Now we will discuss. Okay, I thought you are understood. So now take the next method from haloalkanes that we called Wood's reaction. Now take Wood's reaction, WURTZ, that we call Wood's reaction. Okay, so that is haloalkanes, that is general reaction we are going to write. Haloalkanes R bond X, which is treated with sodium, take 2 equivalent of sodium, and write one more haloalkane, that is X bond, or just we are writing reversible, just to understood. Okay, that is haloalkanes which are treated with sodium in presence of dry ether solvent. Okay, remember this students, dry ether we are using solvent. It means that without moisture, there is moisture free ether, dry ether. So now these two in presence of dry ether solvent, this haloalkanes with sodium becomes 2Na and X. Okay, 2NaX plus 2NaX. So then R and R becomes R bond R. So that is called alkane. So observe in this case we get higher alkanes, but in last case, means previous case, we get RH like is the alkane. This is the lower alkane, this is the higher alkane. So in this method we are prepare only, and we can prepare only the higher hydrocarbons. We can't prepare lower hydrocarbons. But in the previous method we can prepare lower hydrocarbons. Is the one of the limitation of what? Wood's reaction. These are the haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. And you know sodium metal, that is a good reducing reagent. You know the properties. So then similarly, one more this general reaction, or take example. In place of R take CH3, and in place of X take chlorine. which is treated with methyl chloride, which is treated with sodium. Again take one more molecule of methyl chloride, that is CH3Cl. What is its name? Methyl chloride. And we also called what? Chloromethane. Okay, both are same. So now, in place of what? Dry ether solvent. Dry ether solvent. So results what? 2Na and X becomes 2NaX, that is 2NaCl. In place of X, what is there? Chlorine. 2NaCl. Sodium chloride we get byproduct, and the main product is CH3 bond CH3. CH3 bond CH3. That we call what? Ethane. So similarly, take one more example. In place of methyl, take ethyl. CH3, CH2, bond Cl, plus 2Na, plus again take one more molecule, Cl bond CH2, then CH3. In place of what? Dry ether. D dot E can write dry ether. So now observe what will happen. 2Na and Cl becomes 2NaCl. And the remaining is what? CH3, CH2, bond CH2 and CH3. So how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. CH2, again CH2 and CH3. If there is 4 carbons, what we call? Butane. Butane. Okay. So remember students, in this method we can prepare only higher hydrocarbons, already I told you. And here we are using primary haloalkanes only. Similarly, by using secondary haloalkanes, we can prepare alkanes, but we can't prepare from tertiary haloalkanes. Remember, we cannot prepare alkanes by using tertiary haloalkanes because after removing halogen, the tertiary carbocation is highly stable, so that instead to form alkanes, one of the hydrogens is eliminated from the methyl group and results alkene. Okay, this is the limitation of what? Woods reaction. Okay, remember this is the method of preparation of alkenes. So the methods of preparation of alkanes from haloalkanes is the second method. Similarly, third method take from carboxylic acids. Now take third method from carboxylic acids. Okay, so now you know the formula, general formula, that is a R bond COOH is the carboxylic acid, isn't it? So under that, from carboxylic acid, the first method is decarboxylation. There is two methods. Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide as a sodium carbonate in this method, that we call decarboxylation reaction. So result, the general reaction, you know, R bond COOH is called what? Carboxylic acids. Okay, so this is the general formula of carboxylic acid. Now instead of hydrogen, we are taking sodium here, sodium salt, that we call sodium carboxylate. What is its name? Sodium carboxylate. The sodium carboxylate is treated with the base sodium hydroxide NaOH. So when sodium carboxylate is treated with sodium hydroxide, results observe this Na and Na becomes Na2, Na and Na becomes what? Na2, then COO, again here one O, COO, again one O, that is CO3. Okay, Na2CO3, you get sodium carbonate. That is, observe this one. Becomes what? Sodium carbonate. Then R and H becomes RH. That we call what? Alkane. That is RH plus the byproduct is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. This is the one of the method to prepare what? Alkanes. From what? Carboxylic acid, alkanes. So similarly, now example. Take in place of CH3 bond COO minus Na plus. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2. 2 carbons means heat. So being a carboxylate with the ethanoate we call, and sodium. What is its name? Sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate, which is treated with what? NaOH. So becomes, observe, NaOH. Now this NaO and COO, Na becomes what? Na2CO3. So the byproduct is Na2CO3. Then the main product is H is added to this one. Get CH3 becomes CH4. What is its name? Methane. Methane. Similarly, now take one more compound, CH3 bond CH2, then COO Na. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 carbons. Sodium. What is its name? Sodium. 3 carbons means propanoate. Sodium propanoate. So the sodium propanoate is treated with again base NaOH. Results what? This NaO and COO becomes Na2CO3 and H is added to the CH2. Then it becomes CH3 and CH3. That is CH3 bond CH3 plus Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. So now what is its name? Hepane. So observe in this case, if we are taking the carboxylic acid or sodium carboxylate, the compound having less one carbon from the whatever we are taken. So here observe, for example, how many carbons are there? 1, 2 carbons, 2 carbons. But in main product, how many carbons are there? Only 1 carbon. Okay. So in decarboxylation method, 1 carbon is less from the taken one in the product. Okay. That is the thing we have to observe in decarboxylation process to prepare alkanes from carboxylic acid. Okay, so there one more method is there from carboxylic acid only. That is very important for the exam purpose, that we call Kolbe electrolysis. Take now the next method. Take Kolbe's reaction from carboxylic acid only. Next one be Kolbe's reaction or Kolbe's electrolysis. Kolbe's electrolysis. So now in this case, sodium salts of carboxylates is treated with water on electrolysis by putting electrodes. Results alkanes. Okay, so now observe the chemical reaction. General reaction or bond COO Na plus minus. This is what? Sodium carboxylate, which is treated with water H2O. So on electrolysis, electrolysis means we are passing electric current in presence of electrodes, and these are get ionized, results what? Alkane. So now observe here. We are taking only one molecule of sodium carboxylate. Just take 2 molecules and similarly take 2 molecules of water. Okay, these undergo reduction. So these undergo electrolysis, results what? Alkane. Now to understand this one, just I am modifying the reaction. Observe what we are modifying. There is 2 H2O, right? That is writing like, you know, water. H2O is writing like HO bond H. Isn't it? We can write. Okay, can we write or not? We can. Okay, that is HO bond H, one molecule of water plus one more molecule is writing OH bond H. Similarly, observe here there is 2 times. One time we are writing one more time, that is RCOO minus Na plus, means we are taking 2 times. Okay, we are taking 2 times of this one. Now write here plus between. Okay, so observe these are added on electrolysis. What will happen? This NaO and this NaO becomes NaOH. Okay, this becomes what? NaOH. Then H and H becomes what? H2. So then the COO minus, then COO minus becomes CO2. Then this R and R becomes R. Okay, so observe the reaction. R and R becomes what? On electrolysis. So write the middle. At middle, electrolysis. So on electrolysis, what you get? R and R becomes alkane. R and R, that we call alkane, plus COO, that is CO2, then CO2. How many times we get? 2 times CO2 gas plus observe NaOH becomes 2 NaOH plus H and H becomes H2 gas. This is called Kolbe electrolysis. Okay, Kolbe electrolysis. Similarly, now take example. This is the general one. Take example. In place of R, take CH3. That is CH3 bond COO minus Na plus water. HO bond H. How many times we have to take? 2 times. That is CH3 bond COO minus Na plus and HO then H, which is an electrolysis. Which is an electrolysis. What you get? So observe, Na and OH becomes a NaOH, then H and H becomes a H2, then COO2 becomes carbon dioxide, and CH3 and CH3 becomes a ethane. That is CH3 and CH3 ethane plus CH3 bond CH3 get ethane, CO2 2CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas plus NaOH becomes NaOH, 2 NaOH, then H and H becomes H2 gas. So this is called what? Ethane. So like we can prepare what? Alkanes from sodium salts of carboxylate by the process of electrolysis that we called Kolbe electrolysis. So listen student, this can also be write simply like, that is 2 times we have taken, that is 2 CH3 COO minus and Na plus 2 times water H2O, which is on electrolysis. Electrolysis, what you get? The main product same, that is CH3 bond CH3 plus 2 CO2 plus 2 NaOH plus H2 gas. We can write like that. Okay, so these two are same. Just to understood, I am explaining like that. You can write a like also. Okay, so I thought you are understanding what are the methods to prepare alkanes. The first one is from alkenes, the second one is from haloalkanes, and the third one is from carboxylic acid. So in each method there is 2 steps as 2 methods except in alkenes. Okay, so remember these are the 3 methods to prepare what? Hydrocarbons. Okay, so in next class we will discuss the properties.